Tensions are high in the West Philippine Sea after a Philippine Navy sailor was injured following a confrontation with the China Coast Guard at Ayungin Shoal.
The encounter also damaged a Philippine Navy rubber boat. The Armed Forces of the Philippines has condemned the incident as another act of blatant disregard for safety that endangers lives.
IBC News correspondent Bea Peniza has the full report.
This is the actual video of the confrontation between personnel of the Chinese Coast Guard and the Philippine Navy at Ayungin Shoal this morning. 8 Chinese personnel were on board the white boat, while Filipino personnel were aboard the smaller rigid hull inflatable boat. According to the Armed Forces of the Philippines, Chinese personnel unlawfully approached BRP Sierra Madre at close range. The Philippine crew calmly drove them away, but the latter reacted violently. Chinese personnel aggressively struck a Philippine Navy personnel on the head with a wooden baton, resulting in an injury and damage to the Navy's rubber boat. The injured personnel was given immediate medical attention. Despite China's aggression, the AFP said its personnel exercised professionalism. It also condemned the latest assault, describing it as a blatant disregard for safety that endanger lives. The AFP called on the People's Liberation Army and the China Coast Guard to stop their illegal and aggressive actions in the West Philippine Sea. The Chinese government has yet to comment on the incident. It is the latest attack attributed to China. This follows an AI-generated video released by news outlet China Daily, which has drawn widespread criticism for allegedly mocking Filipinos. The Chinese Foreign Ministry has already denied any involvement in the controversial video, but Defense Secretary Gilberto Teodoro Jr. dismissed China's response, describing it as a state-sponsored brainwashing tactics and fake propaganda.
Di basta namin paniniwalaan. Ang control na lang nila sa sarili nilang mamamayan by way of censorship and by way of fake propaganda and brainwashing. Hindi tayo pwedeng magpa-loko sa mga ganyan. Maliit ang tingin nila sa sarili nilang mamamayan. Ano pa kaya sa mga dayuhan?
The defense chief also urged Filipinos to remain vigilant against disinformation. The Department of Foreign Affairs has already filed a formal diplomatic protest. Malacanang has also condemned any form of mockery for degradation of the Filipinos.
Kahit sino man sa Pilipino, hindi magiging maganda ang pagtanggap. Siguro meron lang tayo ilang opisyal na tanggap na sila unggoy, pero ang Pangulo ay hindi.
Malacanang is leaving the appropriate diplomatic actions to the DFA, including the possibility of summoning the Chinese ambassador. Bea Peniza, IBC News.